my channel, I have a quick little haul for you. I have four new weekly kits. They're not the newest. New releases just came out this past weekend. By the time this is over, those new weekly kits will be up. This is going to be the shortest haul compared to my next haul, which will definitely be a much longer detailed one. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what four kits I got. I got Cozy Christmas, Scary Movie, Staycation, and Pretty Pumpkin. I always get the same three add-ons: the half box, quarter box labels, the functional icon add-on, and the finance add-on. And then this is the 6-page that there is with the full boxes, the headers, the ombre check boxes, and then this is also the newest format as well, just as it was the last haul. She's not changed it again. Yeah. So there's half boxes. These are more cornered, quarter and eighth, habit, and then half check boxes. There's date covers, date dots, some script, weekend banner, and more headers. And then glitter headers and bottom washi. So there's a 6-page weekly kit, and then I always get the finance add-on, the functional icon add-on, and the half box labels sheet. So this right here was just Cozy Christmas. And then the same thing is going to be in each of these. So I'll just show you real quick flip through. Finance, functional, half box, and then the kit. So there's that one, and then this one is Staycation. Oh, and there is this little freebie as well. And speaking of freebies, if you use my code Chelsea25, you can get 25% off in between each of the sales going on, as well as when you mention me, you get my freebie, which I kind of used mine up, so yeah. So I can't show you that, but I'm going to go ahead and show you Staycation. Finance, functional, half box, and then weekly kit. Okay, and then last one, and I honestly think this is really good too if you have any mom-to-bees. There is a mom-to-be weekly kit, but if you have somebody who's going to be having a baby in October, or even just in the fall, this is really cute too. I didn't even realize it until afterwards, but I wanted the mom-to-be one very specifically for a reason. Because one of my planner besties just had a baby. So anyways, this is Pretty Pumpkins, finance, functional, half box, and then the kit. And see what I mean? How perfect is that if you have a kid in, especially like October, November? I mean, it's so perfect. Alright guys, that's it. That's Pretty Pumpkins, Staycation, Scary Movie, and Cozy Christmas. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well, at Chelsea Plotsky, and that way you can also know when the next sale is going to be. She will be in the planner, the TPC sale, the planner collaborative sale, October 8th through the 12th. So make sure that you follow her or myself or any of the other Enabler Squad members. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love planner videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.